Hello, I'm Craig with Syracuse Supply. This is our PUMA TT2100SYYB machine with live tooling, 2 turrets with Y-axis on them. We're making a nice show demo part today. Have M&D tooling heads in the machine, very capable. Live X-axis heads, live Z-axis heads, interchangeable to the main spindle or the sub-spindle, interchangeable between the turrets. Either turret can work on either spindle simultaneously or individually. Has a parts unloader on the right spindle, has a parts catcher on the left spindle, easily hooked up for a bar feeder. Chip conveyors are available, many options. If you want to talk about purchasing or accessories for the machine, please contact us at Syracuse Supply.